There it is. Yeah.
This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. The
Maybe
preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio.
Yeah, started to notice that they will only do it at like 11:07. They used to do it in between 11:03 and 11:07. Now they're waiting all the way until then. But just a quick overview. Both the 249 and the 250 both went off. Starlink went off, although it was because my mom's working in a room right next to me. And that's just not like my camera. And the 74-210 went off. Rest of the radios are turned off this time. Can't tell. Yeah, this will conclude this.